This model kit review is of the Aston Martin DB5 from James Bond, and this is a 1/43 scale model by Airfix. This is the starter set, so you get glue, paintbrush and some paints. This is the dimensions here, these are dimensions, and then this is some details here about the car. There's a picture of the car, and on the back here these are the actual paints you get, not those colors. So these are the paints you get, and pictures of the painting and decals on the back. Let's have a look inside and see what we get. Now, the other Airfix model that they have for the DB5 was even smaller than this, which was actually it was larger than this, 1/32 scale. This is smaller. So let's have a look here and see our sprues and pieces here. So there's the body, and that's pretty small, but it's fairly well molded. Looks better than the other Airfix model, which is very old mold. But this is some nice detail here, recessed panel lines. The lights are molded on, handles and so on. Here are the here's the chassis with the transmission tunnel and cabin molded in. We've got our rear bench seat there. It's weird that they've got a hole through that. Here are the door cards. There's our front grille. We've got our subframe parts here, and then there is the firewall, dashboard, instrument panel, and our pedal box. Over here we've got our wheels, and and seats. The fronts of the seats, backs of the seats. Here's our lower part of the engine, transmission and exhaust system. We've got bumpers. These need to be sprayed in chrome. We've got our steering wheel. So on this side of the wheels here are the spokes, and you should spray paint these black and then those chrome. It's a nice way of separating them. Here's the glass, and that's actually very nicely molded. So we do have front windshield, rear and side, and then headlights. Here are the paints and glue, very large tube of glue. Let's have a look at our instructions. Details here about the car. Here are the decals, not many. And let's have a look inside. Our instructions here. Not a very difficult model. We've got the parts listing there. These are the symbols. And we start by building the inside. I guess that's for that hole actually is for the transmission tunnel. That's interesting they did it that way. And put our seats together, mount those. There's our instrument panel, dashboard, steering wheel going on. That's then mounted in the cabin along with our door cards, the sides. Those are our axles there. And looks like they're going to be free rolling. Do not glue those. This will hold it in place. And then our subframe will hold in place. That once that's mounted, there's our engine, transmission and exhaust system. Bring our front grille on, the front glass, rear glass. Mounting that onto the chassis, putting our bumpers on there, and shows you where that decal goes there for the front logo. There's the rear bumper, wheels going together, and being mounted along with the other logo details there. So that looks like a fun little model kit.